You spent 5 lakh on a new solar setup to eliminate your bills, but the peak summer sun is already working against your investment. Pakistani summers reaching 45 degrees plus cause permanent chemical changes and structural damage in low-quality cells far beyond the natural aging process. Losing just 2% of your efficiency means sacrificing roughly 15 units of generation every month. At today's electricity rates, those missing units compound into a 50,000 pkr loss over the next decade. This quadrant chart maps threats to your ROI by visibility and financial impact. Most focus on the bottom left, visible low-impact issues like surface dust. The high-risk zone holds microcracks, LID, and PID. These are invisible to the eye, but represent the highest financial threat. Securing energy independence in this climate requires looking past brand marketing and understanding the material science, or you will face a compounding financial leak. Marketing brochures rely on 25-degree laboratory tests, a far cry from the punishing 45-degree reality of a South Asian rooftop in June. Older P-type cells, often sold as R7 generation, are particularly vulnerable to light-induced degradation. During their first few months of high heat exposure, their internal chemistry shifts, permanently throttling their power ceiling. Physical obstructions like leaves create hotspots. As this thermal map shows, a shaded cell can't pass electricity, bottling up energy as intense heat. This localized heat turns the internal EVA sheet yellow and brittle, literally cooking the panel from the inside. You can find a panel's heat resilience on its datasheet under temp coefficient. A number like -0.29% per degree Celsius tells you exactly how much power is lost for every degree the temperature rises. Newer N-type or R8 cells feature a different internal architecture specifically designed to maintain efficiency in high heat environments where P-type cells fail. Choosing older P-type cells for the upfront savings results in permanent chemical degradation during peak summer. Premium N-type cells are the only logical choice for preserving your long-term yield. In coastal cities like Karachi, the intense summer heat is joined by a second, equally devastating environmental killer: high humidity. Moisture exposure leads to potential induced degradation, or PID, a technical vulnerability that drains your system's output. PID occurs when voltage differences between the cells and the metal frame cause ions to physically leak out of the cell layer and into the frame. This ion leakage can reduce a panel's total energy output by up to 30% in just a few years. Fighting this requires a double glass or bifacial design. Replacing the plastic backsheet with a second layer of glass prevents moisture from reaching the cells. For any coastal installation, you must verify the panels have specific Level 6 salt mist and PID-resistant certifications. Neglecting these certifications for a cheaper price tag exposes you to catastrophic invisible output failure. While environmental factors are critical, many owners unknowingly destroy their own panels through improper cleaning. Using unfiltered hard water or rough cloths acts as a harsh abrasive, creating thousands of microscopic scratches across the entire glass surface of the panel. These scratches scatter incoming sunlight instead of letting it pass through, creating a permanent fog that significantly reduces efficiency. The most common mistake is washing panels during the day. When cold water hits baking hot solar glass, it rapidly fractures due to thermal shock. These resulting microcracks are invisible to the eye, but they sever internal electrical pathways and permanently kill the flow of electricity. Cleaning panels at the wrong time of day prioritizes visual appeal over the physical integrity and financial return of the entire system. To protect your 5 lakh investment, you cannot rely on an installer's word. You need a strict verification protocol. Take a screenshot of this 5-point science checklist. This is your defense against market deception. N-type cells and a temp coefficient below -0.30% are non-negotiable for high heat performance. Double glass builds and PID certifications are essential for anyone in humid, windy, or coastal environments. Finally, always match the serial number printed behind the glass with the exterior sticker. If they don't match, you are likely buying B-grade cells disguised as A-grade. This checklist limits your vendor options, but it is the only way to secure a 5 lakh investment against immediate depreciation. To maintain your system, adopt a science-based cleaning routine. Only wash your panels at dawn or dusk to eliminate the risk of thermal shock. Always use soft water and non-abrasive tools to keep the glass surface free of light-scattering scratches. Maximizing your solar investment requires choosing scientific discipline in both hardware and maintenance over the convenience of cheap parts and haphazard cleaning. For more technical deep dives and science-first reviews to help you protect your investment, subscribe to the Abdul Kareem Reviews channel.